the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.